Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me for first day of nursing school back from the break. So as you guys know, I'm in an ABSN program, which is an accelerated program for nursing, and it's been quite hectic. I am halfway done and I can't believe I'm saying that out loud, but today is the first day back for a third semester. So yeah, I have third semester and fourth semester and I'm done. So yeah, in honor of that, let's get ready together as I update you on my life journey. So I got my little makeup pouch in here, and we're gonna start off with the skincare first because it is pretty early in the morning right now and we gotta do skincare first and then we'll do my makeup. I'm gonna start off with my Merit Beauty Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and it's like a two-tone and I love this stuff. Take a few pumps and apply it. And I love how absorbent this is onto my skin, so this is a very big deal on my base of my skin. Just like to press it in. All right, and then next I'm gonna go in with the Merit Beauty Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. So I like to mix these two together because I feel like this is like a base of a serum and then this is the serum, and then my makeup gets absorbed better if I use both of them together. I just do about like 2 pumps and you can see how lightweight this is. Then I just like to lay it flat on my skin like so. And so what I like about this product is that this one balances the pH of the skin and it creates an instant glow, and it's also super lightweight, which is perfect for the summer because I feel like in the summer we're like layering a lot of products on our face and I just can't deal with anything that's like thick. So this product is perfect. I don't know if you guys can see the glow, but it's really glowing from my point of view from the mirror. And then since it's school, I'm going to keep my makeup really light, so I'm just gonna go in with the concealer. This complexion stick is shade Camel. I just realized that I have not been explaining what I've been up to because I've been just sharing my favorite products instead. But basically, I have been doing my clinicals nonstop and I had just been doing school, work, and back home and study more, and that is literally been all my life. The past, I don't even know how long, like 6 months. It's been a very chaotic, very busy time period because this program is so wicked fast. I feel like I've learned so much and I know, like, it's insane how much we know by this time around, because I started nursing school not knowing anything about like anything that nurses do and any of the knowledge I have right now. Like, I just obviously didn't know anything, so I was terrified, but now we know so much and we can interact with patients, we can do so much with patients. And yeah, it's been a very fun journey just to see myself grow and others grow with me. It's been a very rewarding experience. I just recently came back from an LA trip with my boyfriend and that was really fun. That was a little break for both of us because our life has been just chaotic and we really haven't had time together that much. And so we celebrated our late 2 years in LA. We had yummy dinner at Cento. It's probably one of our favorite places to get pasta now. The shade is just immaculate and it's a very light coverage from the complexion stick. This is like my favorite. This is my second one. This is also by Merit actually, and it's called the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Skin, and the shade match for this is insane. Like, I don't know how else to describe this product, and it's just so buttery smooth. And I like to use my brush with this one just because like I just don't like to touch things, touch my face a lot, so this brush is perfect. I'm going with my blush and I'm just gonna do a little bit on my cheeks to give some color because it's lacking right now. I realize that I am a morning person and I like to get all my studying done in the morning, whether it's to preview something for the class or is to like prepare for other assignments, whatever that may be. I like to do things in the morning before my classes start, because when I'm done with school and I come home, I just want to lay on couch and not doing anything because I'm so exhausted. And so doing it in the morning just really gets me going, and it's been working so well. If you guys have any questions regarding nursing school, you can comment below and I would love to answer those questions for you guys. All right, in terms of eyebrows, I don't really do anything. I like to just brush it out with this spoolie that I have. You can see the glow and some colors on my cheeks. I just love that. It just looks super natural. You don't even know that I have makeup on. And just to finish it off, I'm going to use my lip balm to get some color. Perfect. And that's really it. Like, it was super simple. It was a quick get ready with me, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys have any questions regarding the products I used, anything about nursing schools. I would love to answer them in the comments below. If you're interested in any of the Mary products that I've mentioned today, it would be linked down below. You can click on the description box to get more details. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.